One quick question. How many times have you opened your Instagram page, Facebook, or LinkedIn, stare at the screen, and close the app because you don't have anything to post? If that sounds familiar, you are in the right place. Welcome to this course, ChatGPT 4 for beginners, how to create social media content that converts. This course is built for normal people like you, not for designers, not for copywriters, not tech experts. So if you've ever said, I'm not creative, I don't know what to post, I don't have time for content, here is the good news. This course was designed exactly for you. Now you may ask yourself why this course exists. Now let's be clear here. Most people don't struggle with content because they are lazy. They struggle because nobody taught them how to think with AI. Did you hear me? How to think with AI. ChatGPT is not a magic. It won't read your mind. But when you know what to ask and how to ask it, content becomes fast, simple, and repeatable. That's what you are going to learn in this course. Now, this is our promise, and this is what we are going to be doing in this course. By the end of this course, you will be able to do what? Number one, confidently use ChatGPT 4 for content creation. No guessing, no fear. You will know exactly what to type and then why it works. Yeah. Number two is to, you will learn how to generate content for every major platform, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, which is Twitter. So not recycle nonsense. This is a platform-specific content that actually fits whatever content you've got. Number three is you're going to learn how to create caption, hashtag, and video scripts using ChatGPT. Okay? You will stop posting just to vibe and start posting with structure. Hook that stops scrolling. Yeah. Caption that connects. Hashtag that makes sense. Short video script you can record in one take. Alright? Number four, build a 7 to 30 day content plan under 60 minutes is possible. Yes, one sitting. There's no burnout, there's no overthinking here. You will walk away with a ready to post content calendar, not ideas stuck in your head. Because a lot of us have got a lot of ideas in their head but don't know how to channel them. Here, with the help of ChatGPT, you can actually get a ready to post content calendar. Yeah. Number five is the real win. You will never stare at a blank screen again. That alone worth the course. Right. Now, what makes this course different? What makes this course different is that this course is not theory, it's not an AI hype. Every lesson you are going to learn here shows what to type into ChatGPT, why the output works, how to tweak it for your own niche. Yeah. We've got short lessons, we've got rep prompts, we've got immediate results. So you will be creating content from lesson one. All right. Now, for us students here, this is our win. Before you move to the next lesson, you have to do this. Right now, open ChatGPT and type exactly this. Now, by tapping in the Chrome, act as a social media content assistant. Ask me 3 questions to understand my niche and audience, and then create one social media post I can post today. That's your first tool, and let's get started. See you on the other